Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel AME Guru. So today's our topic is totally based on matrix material and a core material. Matrix material is a bonding material and a core material is the central member of the assembly. Now let's talk about the matrix material. Matrix material is a two-part system consisting of a resin and a hardener. Resin is act as an adhesive and a hardener is act as a curing agent. Resin matrix system are a type of plastic. There are two general categories of plastics, that is thermoplastic and thermoset. Thermoplastic resin use heat to form a part into a desired shape. This shape is not necessarily permanent. However, if their thermoplastic is heated again, it will flow to form another shape. But the shape of the part made by thermoset plastic is permanent. That means it cannot be reformed even if it is heated again and again. One best example of a thermoplastic is the plexiglass, which is used to form an aircraft windshield. An example of a thermosetting plastic resin is a epoxy resin. Each part of the resin system, that is resin and hardener, is weighed before mixing and it is not taken by volume. Resin is always mixed with a hardener before adding any filler material to it. Also, resin is mixed with a hardener in a proper ratio, that is by weight. Mix ratio is always clearly noted on the label of resin and hardener bottles. So this is all about the matrix material. Now let's talk about the core material. Core material is the central member of the assembly. As earlier stated, the core material gives a great deal with a compressive strength to the structure. There are many types of core material used today, that are honeycomb, styrofoam, foams, urethane, PVC, that is polyvinyl chloride, struts and wood cores, etc. Now let's talk about the honeycomb core material. This type of core structure has shape of natural honeycomb and has a very high strength to weight ratio. Honeycomb cores may be constructed of aluminum, Kevlar, carbon, fiberglass, paper, Nomex or steel, etc. In that, Nomex is a trade name of DuPont and is widely used as an advanced composite core material. Nomex is a paper impregnated material. Foams. There are many different types of foams available depending on the specific application. There are different densities and type of foams for high heat application, fire resistance, repair foam, structural foam, etc. Styrofoam is used commonly on a home-built aircraft and it should be used with only epoxy resin. If it is used with polyester resin, it will dissolve the styrofoam. Urethane. This foam can be used with either epoxy resin or polyester resin. Urethane cannot be cut with a hot wire cutter as styrofoam and foams are cut by hot wire cutter. For the cutting of urethane, the knife is used and get the rough shape, which can be then sanded with another piece of foam to the desired size and shape. PVC. PVC foam is used with either polyester or epoxy resin and it can be cut with a hot wire cutter. Struts. It is also known as cellulose acetate. Struts foam material is used to build up ribs or other structural supports. Wood core. Balsa wood or laminations of a hardwood bonded to laminates of a high strength material are being used for a same composite construction. So this is all about core material and matrix material. Hope you like this video. Please like, comment and share. If you are new to my channel, then please subscribe and press the bell icon for new updates. Thank you.